Hello students, this is Biology question and answer series mainly for NEET and K-CET aspirants and also for all my beloved life science students to study the basics of biology. Today I am coming with the interesting topic meiosis. Question number 1. What cell undergo meiosis? A. Prokaryotic cell. B. Somatic cell. C. Germ cell. D. Gametes. Answer: germ cell. Germ cells, also called as reproductive cells, undergo meiosis or reductional divisions to form gametes with haploid number of chromosomes or half the number of chromosomes compared to the parent cell. Number 2. The germ cells in men are called sperm cells, spermatozoa, spermatogonia, D. Spermatocytes. Answer: spermatogonia. Spermatogonia are immature diploid germ cells that undergo mitosis and differentiation to become primary spermatocytes, which then enter meiosis to produce sperm or matured male gamete. So, the germ cell in men are called spermatogonia. Number 3. The germ cells in women are called A. Egg cell, B. oogonia, C. oocyte, D. ova. Answer: B. oogonia. Oogonium is a female reproductive cell or female germ cells which undergo reductional division meiosis to form mature female gamete, ovum or egg through the process called oogenesis. 4. A simple definition of meiosis is A. The formation of haploid gametes, B. The formation of diploid gametes, C. The formation of zygotes, D. The formation of embryos. Answer: A. The formation of haploid gametes. Meiosis is a kind of cell division takes place in germ cell or reproductive cell. In this type of division, 2n or diploid parent cell divides to produce 4 haploid daughter cells. 5. An example of a haploid gamete in men is spermatozoon, spermatid, spermatocyte, spermatoblast. Answer: spermatozoon. Male germ cell or reproductive cell spermatogonia undergo series of developmental stages and the reductional division meiosis to produce haploid male gamete called spermatozoon or sperm cell. Haploid male gamete is called as spermatozoon. 6. An example of a haploid gamete in women is A. ovum, B. oocyte, C. egg cell, D. all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Female reproductive cell or germ cell oogonia, after series of developmental stages, undergo reductional division meiosis to produce haploid female gametes called ovum, egg or oocyte through the process called oogenesis. 7. What part of the cell divides during meiosis? Plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, all of the above. Answer: C. Nucleus. During meiosis, controlling center of the cell or nucleus of this germ cell undergoes 2 subsequent nuclear division to produce 4 daughter cells with haploid number of chromosomes. 8. Meiosis involves how many divisions? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer: B. 2. Meiosis involves 2 divisions, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is also called reductional or heterotypic division because it involves reduction in the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid. Meiosis 2 is also called equational or homotypic divisions where both parent and daughter cell is having same number of chromosomes. 9. The first meiotic division, meiosis 1, is called A. Addition reaction, B. Reduction reaction, C. Equation reaction, D. Redox reaction. Answer B. Reduction reaction. The first meiotic division or meiosis 1 is called reductional division because it involves reduction in the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid. So it is called as reductional division. Ten. The following are importance of meiosis except A. Replacement of gametes, B. Reduction in chromosome number, C. Multiplication of the zygote, D. Formation of viable sex cells. Answer multiplication of the zygote. Option A. Replacement of gametes. It refers to the concept of creating artificial gametes using somatic cells or body cells through meiosis. So it is one of the importance of meiosis. Next, meiosis takes place in germ cell or reproductive cell to produce fertile or viable male and female gamete which contain half the number of chromosome or reduced chromosome number. So option A, B, D are the importance of meiosis. Option C, multiplication of the zygote takes place through mitosis. So option C is the correct answer. C. Multiplication of the zygote. 11. Which is not a stage in meiosis 1? A. Interphase 1, B. Prophase 1, C. Anaphase 1, D. Telophase 1. Answer A. Interphase 1. Meiosis 1 is a reduction or heterotypic division, involves prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. So option A, interphase 1 is not a stage of meiosis 1. So option A is the correct answer. 12. The following activities occur in prophase 1 except A. Chromatin condensation, B. Formation of spindle fibers, C. Appearance of nucleolus, D. Synapsis. Answer C. Appearance of nucleolus. Nucleolus do not appear in prophase 1, instead it disappears. So option C, appearance of nucleolus is the correct answer. 13. What is synapsis? A. Pairing up of homologous chromosomes, B. Attachment of spindle fibers, C. Separation of chromosomes, D. Separation of chromatids. Answer A. Pairing up of homologous chromosomes. Synapsis is the process where during the Pacetine stage of prophase 1 in meiosis 1, two homologous chromosomes come together and align themselves lengthwise. The alignment allows genetic recombination to occur. 14. What are homologous chromosomes? A. A pair of chromosomes with similar genes, B. A pair of chromosomes with different genes, C. All maternal chromosomes, D. All paternal chromosomes. Answer A. A pair of chromosomes with similar genes. Homologous chromosomes are made of chromosomal pairs of the same length and centromere position for the genes corresponding to the same loci. Typically, one of the chromosomes is inherited from the mother and the other from the father. For example, humans have 22 pairs of autosomes that are homologous chromosomes. 15. How many non-sister chromatids are in a tetrad formed by synapsis? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer B. 2. During prophase 1 of meiosis, homologous chromosomes pair up and that process is called synapsis. This results in the formation of a structure called tetrad. Tetrad consists of 4 chromatids, with 2 being non-sister chromatids from each homologous chromosomes. 16. Synapsis of homologous chromosomes in prophase 1 leads to dash. A. Crossing over of genes. B. Splitting of chromatids. C. Division of the nucleus. D. Division of the cytoplasm. Answer A. Crossing over of genes. Synapsis or pairing up of homologous chromosomes in prophase 1 of meiosis 1 leads to exchange of chromosomal arms between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, that is called as crossing over of genes. So option A is the correct one. 17. What is crossing over? A. Exchange of genes between sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. B. Exchange of genes between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. C. Movement of chromosomes to opposite poles. D. Exchange of maternal and paternal chromosomes. Answer B. Exchange of genes between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. 18. When does crossing over occur? A. Prophase 1. B. Metaphase 1. C. Anaphase 1. D. Telophase 1. Answer A. Prophase 1. Crossing over or exchange of genes between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes takes place during Pecatine stage of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. So answer is A. Prophase 1. 19. Separation of homologous chromosomes occur in A. Prophase 1. B. Metaphase 2. C. Anaphase 1. D. Anaphase 2. Answer C. Anaphase 1. Separation of homologous chromosomes occur in anaphase 1 of meiosis 1. So answer is C. 20. Separation of sister chromatids occur in A. Prophase 1. B. Telophase 2. C. Anaphase 1. D. Anaphase 2. Answer D. Anaphase 2. Separation of homologous chromosomes occur in anaphase 1, whereas separation of sister chromatids occur in anaphase 2 of meiosis 2. So answer is D. Anaphase 2. 21. Meiosis 1 ends with A. 2 haploid daughter cells. B. 4 haploid daughter cells. C. 2 diploid daughter cells. D. 4 diploid daughter cells. Answer A. 2 haploid daughter cells. Meiosis 1 ends with 2 haploid daughter cells, whereas meiosis 2 ends with 4 haploid daughter cells. 22. What event reduces the chromosome number from 46 to 23 in meiosis 1? A. Synapsis of homologous chromosomes. B. Separation of homologous chromosomes. C. Crossing over between non-sister chromatids. D. Movement of chromosomes to opposite poles. Answer B. Separation of homologous chromosomes. During meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes, which are supposed to be in the same cell, separate to form different cells, and this reduces the chromosome number from 46 to 23 in each cell. This event is the reason why gametes have haploid number of chromosomes. 23. What is the importance of crossing over? A. It brings about genetic variation. B. It creates identical cells. C. It prevents gamete formation. D. It increases the chromosome number. Answer A. It brings about genetic variation. Crossing over, the exchange of genetic material between non-sister chromatids during Peckettine stage of prophase 1 of meiosis is crucial for generating genetic diversity or variation and promoting evolution by creating new combination of genes in offspring. So, option A, it brings about genetic variation, is the right answer. 24. What do spindle fibers do in meiosis 1? A. They separate homologous chromosomes. B. They separate sister chromatids. C. They form nuclear envelope. D. They synthesize DNA. Answer A. They separate homologous chromosomes. Spindle fibers are proteinaceous structures, specifically microtubules, that are essential for the proper segregation of chromosomes during cell division. In meiosis 1, spindle fibers are crucial for separating homologous chromosomes, ensuring each daughter cell receives one chromosome from each pair. 25. The following is true about meiosis except A. It occurs in two stages. Right, meiosis occurs in two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. B. It forms 4 daughter cells. Right, at the end of meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. C. It forms gametes. Right, meiosis is the main process during gamete formation or gametogenesis, spermatogenesis in male and oogenesis in female. D. The daughter cells are diploid. Wrong. The daughter cells of meiosis are haploid in nature. So, option D is the correct answer. 26. What term describes the failure of homologous chromosomes to separate during meiosis? A. Crossing over. B. Non-disjunction. C. Synapsis. D. Independent assortment. Answer B. Non-disjunction. Meiotic spindles help in separation of homologous chromosome pair during anaphase 1 of meiosis, results in 2 daughter cells with half the number of chromosomes. If there is any mistake in the attachment of spindle fibers to the homologous pair, it results in the unequal separation of chromosome, that is called as meiotic non-disjunction, that results in various genetical problems. 27. Meiosis in females is called A. Gametogenesis. B. Spermatogenesis. C. oogenesis. D. Ovogenesis. Answer C. Oogenesis. Meiosis is the major process in gametogenesis or gamete formation. In males, meiosis is called as spermatogenesis, and in females, meiosis is called as oogenesis. 28. When does meiosis begin in females? A. Before birth. B. After birth. C. During puberty. D. Before menopause. Answer A. Before birth. In females, the beginning of meiosis or oogenesis starts during fetal development, means when they are inside the mother womb. In embryonic stage itself, oogonia enter meiosis 1, but it is arrested in prophase until puberty. 29. When does meiosis begin in males? A. Before birth. B. After birth. C. During puberty. D. At old age. Answer C. During puberty. In males, meiosis or spermatogenesis process begins at puberty, but in females, oogenesis or meiosis process begins at embryonic stage itself. That is one of the difference between meiosis in males and females. 30, and this is the last question of this video. Which is the final phase of meiosis? A. Anaphase 1. B. Telophase 2. C. Metaphase 2. D. Prophase 2. Answer B. Telophase 2. Meiosis occurs majorly in two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is also called reductional or heterotypic division. It has four substages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Out of four substages of meiosis 1, prophase 1 is the lengthiest phase and it has five subphases: leptotene, zygotene, pectine, diplotene and diakinesis. Meiosis 2 is also called equational or homotypic division and it has again four substages: prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. So, telophase 2 is the final stage of meiosis.
Guys, I hope you people liked the video. Please like, share and comment on the video and follow the channel for similar type of videos in future. Thank you so much.